Welcome to Story Today. Trent Boult, one of the most formidable fast bowlers in contemporary cricket, epitomizes perseverance, dedication, and the power of dreams. His life story is a testament to how talent, when coupled with hard work and resilience, can lead to extraordinary success. Boult's journey from a small town in New Zealand to becoming one of the world's top cricketers is both inspiring and motivating. Trent Boult was born on July 22, 1989, in Rotorua, a small city on New Zealand's North Island. He grew up in Ohope, a coastal town where cricket was a popular pastime. Boult's early exposure to the sport came through his family, particularly his father, who was passionate about cricket. His older brother, Trent Boult, also played cricket and was a significant influence on Trent's budding career. From a young age, Boult demonstrated a natural affinity for sports. He was a keen athlete, participating in various sports including rugby and swimming. However, cricket always held a special place in his heart. His talent was evident, and by the time he was a teenager, he was already making waves in local cricket circuits. Boult's journey to professional cricket began at Ohope College, where his cricketing prowess became more pronounced. His performances in school cricket competitions caught the attention of scouts and coaches. Recognizing his potential, he was soon selected to represent northern districts in New Zealand's domestic cricket. In 2007, Boult was chosen to play for New Zealand in the Under-19 World Cup. His performance in the tournament was impressive, showcasing his ability to swing the ball both ways. This exposure was crucial in setting the stage for his future career. Boult's consistency and skill earned him a spot in the New Zealand A team, and by 2011 he made his Test debut against Australia. Boult's debut in Test cricket was a dream come true, but it also came with challenges. He faced formidable Australian batsmen on their home turf, a daunting task for any young bowler. Despite the tough conditions, Boult displayed remarkable resilience and skill, earning the respect of his teammates and opponents. His breakthrough moment came in 2013 during New Zealand's tour of England. Boult, alongside his bowling partner Tim Southee, wreaked havoc on the English batting lineup. His ability to swing the ball at high speeds made him a lethal weapon in New Zealand's bowling arsenal. The duo's performance in the series was instrumental in establishing New Zealand as a formidable force in international cricket. Boult's career, like any other athlete's, has not been without its challenges. Injuries have been a significant hurdle. Fast bowling is physically demanding, and Boult has faced multiple injuries that have threatened to derail his career. However, his approach to setbacks is what sets him apart. Each injury was met with determination and a rigorous rehabilitation regime. Boult's mental toughness and commitment to his fitness have allowed him to bounce back stronger each time. Another challenge was adapting to different formats of the game. While Boult excelled in Test cricket, transitioning to one-day internationals, ODIs, and 2020 T20 required adjustments. His work ethic and willingness to learn new skills enabled him to become one of the most versatile bowlers in the world. Boult's adaptability is a key factor in his sustained success across all formats of the game. Trent Boult's career is studded with numerous highlights and achievements. One of his most memorable performances came during the 2015 ICC Cricket World Cup. Boult was instrumental in leading New Zealand to the final, finishing as one of the tournament's leading wicket-takers. His ability to deliver under pressure was evident throughout the competition, earning him accolades from fans and critics alike. Another significant milestone was reaching 200 Test wickets, a feat he achieved in 2018 against England. Boult's consistent performance has made him one of the fastest New Zealand bowlers to reach this landmark. His partnership with Tim Southee has been particularly effective, making them one of the most successful bowling pairs in cricket history. Boult's success is not limited to international cricket. He has also made a significant impact in domestic T20 leagues, including the Indian Premier League (IPL). Playing for teams like Sunrisers, Hyderabad, Delhi Capitals, and Mumbai Indians, Boult has been a crucial player, often delivering match-winning performances. Beyond his achievements on the field, Boult is known for his humility and sportsmanship. He is a role model for aspiring cricketers, demonstrating that success comes from hard work, discipline, and a positive attitude. Boult is also actively involved in community service and charitable activities. His contributions off the field reflect his commitment to giving back to society and using his platform for positive impact. Boult's journey is a source of inspiration for many young athletes, particularly those from small towns with big dreams. His story underscores the importance of perseverance, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Boult's rise from a small-town boy to an international cricket star is a powerful reminder that with passion and determination, anything is possible. Trent Boult's life story is a remarkable narrative of talent, hard work, and unwavering determination. From his early days in Rotorua to becoming a leading figure in international cricket, Boult's journey is filled with inspiring moments and valuable lessons. His ability to overcome challenges and consistently perform at the highest level makes him a true champion. Boult's legacy will undoubtedly inspire future generations of cricketers to dream big and strive for greatness, no matter where they come from. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Trent Alexander Boult. Please like, share with your friends and family, subscribe for more inspiring real-life stories.